Hey everyone, a high-end product from Samsung, the Odyssey Gaming G60SD display is designed for gamers looking for cutting-edge technology and a competitive advantage. It delivers a remarkable experience for both professionals and hobbyists by fusing cutting-edge features with a stylish appearance. With an OLED panel that has a 360 Hz refresh rate and QHD resolution, this 27-inch monitor offers a remarkable degree of visual detail and fluidity. The Odyssey G60SD's sleek and futuristic look is what initially draws attention to it. Narrow bezels on the front maximize the viewing area of the screen for engaging games. Samsung's Core Lighting Plus, which adjusts to on-screen content to improve the gaming environment, is adorning the rear panel. It is compatible with VISA 100x100 for wall mounting, if that is more your style. The monitor's luxury status is reflected in its build quality, which combines premium plastic and metal. A concentrated LED-lit design on the back gives it a contemporary look. A rubber clasp built into the stand wisely handles cable management, keeping your setup neat and orderly. Another feature of the Odyssey G60SD is its connectivity, which includes a USB hub with two USB 3.0 ports, two HDMI 2.1 inputs, a headphone jack, and a DisplayPort 1.4. This guarantees interoperability with gaming consoles, PCs, and other accessories. The G60SD's OLED display is its central component. Even in gloomy environments, the images are vibrant and realistic thanks to a contrast ratio of 1,000,000:1, a 99% DCI-P3 color palette, and HDR10+ support. Typically, the brightness level is 250 nits, with basic settings lowering it to 200 nits for comfortable viewing in a range of lighting circumstances. This monitor is perfect for fast-paced games, where split-second reactions are essential because of its 0.03 milliseconds response time. Motion blur is eliminated during prolonged gaming sessions thanks to the high refresh rate of 360 Hz, which guarantees incredibly smooth performance. In order to minimize latency and screen tearing, Samsung has also integrated technologies such as FreeSync Premium Pro, which synchronizes the refresh rate with the GPU. Eye strain is lessened after prolonged use thanks to Eye Saver mode and flicker-free technology. The Odyssey G60SD has limitations despite its benefits. Users that desire all-in-one multimedia solution may find the absence of built-in speakers to be a significant shortcoming. Furthermore, OLED technology has a possible risk of burn-in, even though it provides excellent image quality. To assure longevity, Samsung counteracts this with warranty and cutting-edge burn-in prevention features. G60SD is a great gaming device, but because of inherent limits of OLED, it might not be the greatest choice for professionals working with color-critical graphics. Another factor is its high cost, which makes it a high-end product that appeals to people who value superior craftsmanship and innovative features. All things considered, the Samsung Odyssey Gaming G60SD is a superb gaming display that lives up to its claims. For gamers looking for top-tier performance, it is a worthwhile investment thanks to its remarkable OLED panel, cutting-edge capabilities, and elegant design. However, some customers might be prompted to look into other solutions due to its cost and lack of built-in speakers. This monitor provides an unparalleled gaming experience for those who are prepared to make the investment. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.